Hello friends, today we will learn how to do cascade parameters. Okay, cascade parameters are nothing but a parameter value depends on another parameter value, that is called cascade parameters. See, total we have two parameters, and this parameter uh, contains year information and this parameter contains category information. So based on year information it will reflect the category parameters. Let us see. If I select 2002, you have one category bikes and I will get this report, bikes information report. If you select 2003, and we have three different categories. See, okay, so this parameter is depends on this parameter, that is called as cascade parameter. So by writing these cascade parameters you will get more dynamic reports. Got it? Let us do by taking a new report, add new item, report. Okay, add. Now I am connecting a data source. I already have a shared data source which connects to AdventureWorks DW. So I am using that. Now I want to create parameters, right? I'm name this as year, and let's see the available values. You have three types of values: none, specify values, and get values from query. So none means it will appear a text box. If you specify it as none, it will appear a text box on report. Let us see. I'm putting none option. If you preview the report, you have a text box. And if we specify values option, we need to provide two values, label and value. Label will display on report, whereas value will internally work on it. For example, my label name is bikes and I have a key called 1 for bike, and I have clothing with key 2. Say for example like this. If we preview the report, see, this will give a combo box collection, and we can select only one of this list. And if you select bikes, internally it will give 1 as the value instead of this bikes label. Okay, for that purpose we use values. So most probably the values we specify are actually keys. Third option is get values from query. This is a very useful option. So in specify values, if there is a change in dB, it will not reflect here. We need to write this report every time if there is any change. Okay, but if we specify a query based report parameter, then it will automatically change the report, because whenever dB has been changed, that modification is applied here also. For example, if my table contains bikes information, then I am selecting a data set which contains a query, select star from categories, like that. So if I am going to change that bikes to bike information, it will give automatically the same value, bike information, because it runs based on query. Okay, let us do this. I want to create two parameters. One is year and second one is category. Let us do that. uh, for getting year information, we have a query. See, we just join dim time with fact internet sales, and retrieve calendar year. That's it. Okay, so create a new data set and use embedded data set, paste there, select OK. Change this, you can write any name. I prefer to write the same name as parameter. Okay, and we need another data set which gives category information, right? This is what category information based on the year information. For example, if you specify 2002, it will give 2002 categories. If we specify 2003, it will give 2003 category information. So copy this. In place of this static values, we will use parameter. Okay, and here I am writing parameter year, p year, as a query parameter. So map this parameter with this parameter. Okay, this is called report level parameters, and these are called query level parameters. So I am mapping p year with report parameter called year. That's it. Let us see the output. Oh, we have only one parameter. I have another data set. Call this data set as category, and this category data set is based on this value. So create another parameter called category, select category, and here also we are using available values as get values from query. So now the dataset is category value field. I should prefer field value as a key. So product category key is as value and name product as labeled field. Okay, let us see. Report parameter you have. Okay, we didn't change this actually. At year level, don't use specify values, we'll use get values from query. So dataset as year value field, I want to display labels as 2001, 2, 3 and also pass values as 2001, 2, 3. So both values are same. Okay, let us see. If I select 2002, it will give a category called bikes. If we select 2003, we will get 3 different categories, right? Instead of report parameter, select here. That's it. See, okay, we will get cascade parameters. Now generate a report based on these two parameters. Okay, so we create another data set which takes those two parameters as values. See here, I am writing a query which accepts two parameters, calendar year and category key. So in this query actually I want to get some summation aggregated value like sum of sales based on categories. Okay, instead of 2001, this value will come from parameter called year, and this values comes from the parameter called category. Okay, we have to map that these query parameters with report parameters. Year should equals with year and cat should equals with category. That's it. Let's do. I want 2002 bikes information, so view report. Oh, I didn't put any data region here. Okay, so dataset 3 contains product and I want only sales information. Apply some color, finish. Let us see 2003 category clothing. Okay, that's it. In next tutorial I will continue from this lecture, and when we click on this clothing it will give a detailed report. Okay, we will work on that for creating linked reports. Actually, when we click on this product category, it will give the category products information on it. Okay, thank you for watching.